Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to for today's video, I picked up something from MAC that I saw just when I was walking through the mall, and I thought this would be fun to try. This is the MAC times ALLANARAMAA kit, and I just actually saw her use some of these products in a video. If you don't know who ALLANARAMAA is, she is a Toronto-based YouTuber. She does beauty and I think lifestyle stuff. But anyways, she had done some of this makeup and I thought it looked beautiful and I thought I would give it a try. It's kind of out of my comfort zone. I am not like, you know, a makeup guru or whatever. And she uses a brown pencil, which is very out of my element. Anyways, I thought this would be a kind of unique video to do for me. It's something out of my element, something I haven't done before. I haven't even opened this, just picked this up. So we're gonna do this together. I need a mirror. Okay, so in Canada, this kit was $65 and it comes with a blush, 2 eyeshadows, a full-size mascara, a lipstick, and an eyeliner, which for MAC, I think is really good. And while I was there, they were running this promo where this is originally $18 for this little thing. It was $8. So, and that one's in white tea, which is new. Okay, so it looks like this. Nice. I have to say, I have not used MAC stuff like makeup in at least 5 years. Like, oh, I do have one eyeshadow palette, but that's about it. I remember back in the day when I was like just getting to makeup, MAC was like everything. We have this shadow here, and this is called either Tete a Tint or Titi a Tint. Anyways, you probably can't, it's very, very light brown shade, which I think is a great like transition color on the glass. This is a really nice transition shade. This is really pretty. This looks darker in the pot than it does in a swatch. It's very gilded. I really like that. And I like that it's not sparkly. It's just very, I don't know. This one's called Woodwinked in Velux Pearl, which I think pearl is a really good like way to describe that shadow. This is a really pretty blush. This is Blush Baby. This is pretty. Let's see if you can see. Probably not. My lights kind of blow out the color. Anyways, that's a really nice blush and it's full size. The lipstick is also really, really beautiful. This is a kind of like a, it's not shimmery, what do you call this? This, like a cream finish, kind of a glossy, but not super like glossy, what would you say? So this is their Luster lipsticks, and this is in the shade Patisserie, or whatever. And then we have the Kohl liner in Teddy, which I know a lot of people love. It's a really, really nice like brownie gold kind of shade. It's very pretty. It's kind of reflective. And then their mascara, which I have to admit I have never tried a MAC mascara. This one is, let's see what this one is. Carbon Black 3D Black Lash Mascara. Cool. And this is what the wand looks like. Oh, interesting. Not usually a fan. Oh, well, I'm not usually a fan of plastic wands. The only one that I really like is the L'Oreal Telescopic, but I'm willing to give this a shot. So I already have my foundation, I have some bronzer on, I have my eyebrows done, I have concealed over my eyes and powdered them, so everything is ready to go. Again, I say this every video, I am not a makeup guru. I just absolutely love makeup. And I thought this would be a fun little review to see how I like it, because I think products like these are meant for people like me or somebody that's more of a beginner. You know, you're giving them everything pretty much that they need to use, and that's kind of what I like. I like everything to come together. Now I know what eyeshadow goes with lipstick, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I have this MAC 286 SE, this little like crease brush, and I'm going to dip into this tete tint or whatever you call it, and we are just going to work that. Okay, so that is it blended, and I tried to bring it out a little bit because I won't be doing a wing. In her video, she doesn't do a wing, she just kind of does it on the waterline, which I'm gonna try. I don't personally know if that's my favorite look on me. Walter, stop moving around. But I am willing to try. And then I brought it up a little bit higher than the crease because I do have a bit of hooded eyelids, that's the word. Okay, now moving on to Woodwinked. She actually just put this all over her lid. And what I think is really nice is that this actually feels like a quick routine. Like once you kind of get it, you know, take away the talking and get it down pat, I think you could do this really quickly. I like that there's only 2 eyeshadows. And I will say this shade really blended out smoothly, not patchy at all. The formula is great. So I'm just gonna take this Morphe Y15 brush and I'm just gonna like pat this all over my lid. Is really nice, and I think for blue eyes that really makes it pop. Now I'm just going to take this clean blending brush, an M441 Morphe, and just kind of blend this all together. I think that's really nice. I could see myself just doing this as an everyday look. Really like that. Okay. This is the part that I'm most nervous for. This is the kohl liner. I'm actually gonna go get a lighter mirror because I'm gonna have a hard time doing this. Okay, I'm gonna try to just line my top lashes. I never do anything on my bottom. Even the color, I just find it darkens my eyes way too much. So this is in Teddy, and I'm going to try to line my eyes. Here's one. Not bad. Not bad. Just gives it a little more depth, maybe. Oh, this hand, I don't know. That's really nice. Okay, I don't mind it. It kind of gives me more definition than just, you know, putting on mascara. Okay, now I brought you in real close for the mascara. This is my favorite. Actually, let's do the blush. I'll keep you in close. So we have Blush Berry, and I'm just putting this on a Morphe Y2. Sorry, you're so close. And again, let's just take a look. Oh, that's really nice. I really like that. I like a lot of blush. Okay, mascara. So the reason why you're in so close. So let's put on, actually, sorry. I'm gonna do highlighter first. I have just this Natasha Denona And I'm actually going to put a little bit of the color just in my inner corner to brighten it up. I just got this fan brush. I'm just going to give myself some glow. Now on to mascara. So here is the wand a little bit closer. And here we go. That's one coat. That's really good. I did get it above there, but it's nice. It's just one coat. That's 2 coats. It's a little bit more spidery and clumpy, so if you like that look, this is nice. I'm just gonna do a little bit on the bottom. Okay, last but not least is lipstick. Now I don't even have a lip liner here right now. I meant to pick one up just from the drugstore on my way home, but I didn't. So we're just gonna go in with this color. I think it's really pretty. I'm hoping that this becomes like just a great color for me that I can wear with everything. That would be really nice. And that's the lipstick. I don't know how I feel about the lipstick. It's a little bit, to be honest, too pink for me, I think. But maybe with a more neutral or lighter lip color, this might be really nice. I'm not mad at it. I think it doesn't look bad. It's just personally not my favorite. Anyway, so this is the whole look. I actually think that this is a great kit. I mean, Allana looks beautiful. I think her lips look a little bit more neutral there. I mean, she's a beautiful girl, so I'm sure that she could put on anything and she would look good. I think that $65 is a steal of a deal for everything that you're getting in here and the quality. This is awesome. 9 out of 10. I think that the lipstick is really nice. It is kind of a neutral. I can see how it would work on many different people. It just didn't work on me. Other than that, again, 9 out of 10, totally worth it. And you know what? I can finish off with some MAC Fix Plus. Whew. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again in another video. Bye!